qualifiers. Ye ball against teams Dodona neutral grounds in Morocco. The reason why I bought money say Calf say Omuni Standard Stadium.
1 year, Sudan, right?
Yes.
Sudan gave me a
Morocco. I think even Niger so almost Sophia. Rich. You do World Cup qualifiers. Again, Calf say Madagascar. Any Standard Stadium. Na Ebane Sana Ghana was Standard Stadium. Oh, Bra pictures of Accra Sports Stadium.
I know. Accra Sports Stadium nanansi renovation anyawa.
Rich. And some people papa. Na say ahano bosremu kanya yadi. And yes all pre on the full and to ja. Now fear back. No, we don't practice such journalism no fear. Until we wait. You pay more evidence be.
Because me say my test no.
Ya baba tu.
Say e no crepa dia me nke me dim penifon ya papa.
Rich. You see, before we even confirm Salian, Accra Sports Stadium na ye the end see aja to me be boy ho no. Eno wo pictures ni bia na.
Enko ye wo.
Lights no the we are
pro.
That is the right way.
Arrestia just say sebi nipa stadium na ebu ababo.
Mama my Facebook for no mo fa bi nto.
Omo ebi kra wo ye me sam just mo fa bi nto. Enti na me bisa mo say then before the game no inspection and koso ana. Because inspection koso pa I know say some facility we KBM penifon be catch say look enye now to host this game. Now scoreboard there. World Cup qualifier.
They say we Baba Sports Stadium.
Dabna mo fa enko
dem banya to wase omo mo share on Facebook no. Omo Baba Sports Stadium omo konya esi o. We Baba Sports Stadium bench no. Kotoko Elbow Wise FA Cup no. Rich only dey tell konya we sisi o. Because ya betutu ya bench na Baba Sports Stadium no. Ya betutu concrete. Yeah, two on say standard bench.
Players in the
yes. Yeah, but to the concrete. And untina the last time I got a ball no. Yeah, we now current video we are showing. We are Accra Sports Stadium Rich. This is the renovation. Our stadium. Now
sometimes they haven't just said and penufo be catch say omo ye renovation entiana de no omo ye renovation omo ye no way
e hona kama be kanu and no pay na minister no di nkomo and me catch Zando say the air course behind the scenes to get Accra Sports Stadium ready. I didn't me say on record the air course behind the scenes to get Accra Sports Stadium fixed for Friday game no. Rich, it means say in the last 8 years and Nana Akufo-Addo aban no. Rich, all the monies are you allocating for renovation. Our various stadia no. Rich, it must be investigated because it is becoming a subject of criminality. Sika ya approving in the last 8 years for various renovations, you know. Say after all those renovations, yes. Rich. After all those renovations, no. See, it's a stadium. Near pictures, be say every stadium over there. Rich. Then those approval of those contracts, Nisika, you are allocated for renovation, no, must be a subject of a criminal investigation. You shouldn't miss words on these things. It must be a subject of of course.
Because they also require at the end say
does this
look this cannot require day?
Sadia we Usha, does it look like a renovated thing? Does this look like a renovated thing? Nay a book game.
This year
I see about region Marconi about to the bench.
If you don't move myself to Tuaba. I grow in show.
Adia in the last 8 years, too much. Millions of Ghana cities to renovate, you know. We are still doing comme ça. Just to make sure say we are ready. Rich,
Auntie, I was coffee minimum say we can be kakana. League now. I'm say Croman sa de bia almost any papa say
ain't me yes sao.
Nanya sana de bia me.
Na make about ain't me jin to man be yes sa. See any people any contracts in the man. And so those people have to ask questions. That's one bizarre questions. And he say business as usual. Because Rich, even Baba Kayedi come over bre. When him say Baba page no. Baby technical team next nan bench no. Ombe tutu nkonya nya de kwa Accra.
Yeah, show video crash.
Exactly. It would nkonya kwa Accra. Light so just all sand and none of pay so be some be light. Oh Baba na re kon crime. Light to floodlight is be you be two electricians will be two and no see sketua. Near the kwa Accra. Wow, I say at the end of the it is, see, that's the thing. You more be contract. Sign cophony and I say get me show more. At the end of the day, you ain't value for money audit every time. We just give people contracts and they go away. And McCann has a rich the interference of the various governments every time in the manning of the NSC and the working of the NSC. In the NSC, only ano.
Oh, media me
until we get to the point that NSA
Black Stars bebo game dia. Ni ekeke usi ebe omunya kwaya na to bi.
But Rich, the chairman yes and say no eyakwa say from the latter days of Honorable Mustafa Yusuf no. Ya preserve Accra Sports Stadium for national team games. Enti bibia nkoso ho until say Black Stars bebo game. And say the England are here for Wembley no. Unless national team games and as a cup finals near the abajo. Now, if that is what we want to do, Rich, then we should keep the stadium in a standard form. Ne is your routine, no matter the faso. Send a beer, Bibia or Hobiano will look in a good shape. Time I have you see at the end. But your problem is say the moment you castle, oh, you have a I didn't reserve in your you see no. Nothing ya kwa ni mo say Debbie light no ye just so sa into bobs na say we no esi was a look asema ye can Rich it goes beyond just where your light let's see on a bob na show pictures here na won arrest I don't know we na chi
e betimi abuakun bi
I'm telling you
and no media na sometimes I haven't say I mean see any Nhyira Accra Sports Stadium ben epono
yes
and adie bi ameta bi ben
you know
from
any na yes I
to the levels all you
me say in the last 8 years of Nana Akufo-Addo abayemuno Obia Jessica for renovation over and over and over again. And this is what he renovated. This
way. I'm actually going to debu awe na say the ubukra efumo no. Week 24 of the Ghana Premier League say an official